We're just out at Anstead, which is up in Brisbane. This is our first Sky Gable that we've built, well, that's local anyway, that we can go and have a look at. It's a 2-bedroom design, it's on an elevated floor system. We use a cast-in footing on this one, so normally we do a bolt-on footing. These posts actually go about 1,500 mil into the hole and then get filled with concrete. So it helps with the bracing. A little bit harder to set up, but it's a nice, sturdy sort of system. And you've got the bearers and then the joists there. It's all in plane, so it's a nice, quick and easy system to put together. We'll have a quick look through anyway. So they're just about to put all the trusses up on this house. One of the best features about this one, it's got a 30-degree roof pitch, so it's got that kind of the barnyard sort of look, which is very popular at the moment. This one's not far from where we work, so we'll be coming out here quite a bit just to have a look. But this is the living area here, kitchen over here. Then you've got laundry, second bedroom. And this is the master bedroom down here with a walk-in robe. I think it's gone flat. Ensuite. And this here is just like a little enclosed balcony. So it's all undercover, but it's nice and protected.